the beginning, there was love, and we thought it was enough. We saw no farther than each other's hearts. And though the roof leaks on our heads, just a blanket for our bed, but then we had our love to keep us warm. But the winter winds blew cold, our new love was growing old, and our words were filled with anger and regret.
Our bills were more than we could pay,
And we both longed for the day of the freedom that we knew before we wed. But there was something greater still than our fights and monthly bills.
the knowledge of its sky, well on its way.
And though we both longed to be free,
We talked it over,
and we both agreed that we'll wait till baby came to separate. When at last the day arrived, and the tears filled both our eyes,
as we held a newborn baby in our arms.
and all the love we thought was gone lived again 3 times as strong. It's not the end, it's the beginning of our home. It's not the end, it's the beginning of our